Alright guys, so in this video we are going to talk about breaker blocks. It is another entry pattern that you can use. It is very powerful. So what essentially is breaker block? When you have a lower low, lower high, lower low, and a market structure shift. So when you had lower low, lower high, lower low, the last lower low and the last candle of that lower low right here is your breaker block. So you have lower low, lower high, lower low, and market structure shift. If you have another small lower low here, like lower low, lower high, small lower high, lower low, and then market structure shift, then that would be your breaker block. So the first candle right here, first candle before this move, or you could say the last candle before this last lower low is your breaker block. And if there is some fair value gap here, then that breaker block becomes very strong. However, if there is no fair value gap, you can still take entry from this level, okay? But if there's fair value gap, then that becomes even better. Price comes back here and boom. Similarly, you have higher high, higher low, higher high, market structure shift. This last candle before the move to the upside and then market structure shift. So you have higher high, higher low. The last candle of the higher low is your breaker block, okay? Price comes back here. If there is fair value gap right here, you can literally take your entry from here. Instead of looking for entry from the extreme fair value gap, what you can do as an entry model, you can look for entry here. So a lot of people ask me, sometimes we miss the trade. And this is how you can minimize the risk of missing the trade. Yes, your stop loss is going to be big, or you can just put your stop above the breaker block, but trust me, you're gonna lose. So just put it above the extreme fair value gap. So this right here is your breaker block. Let me show you an example if I can find it. I drew it somewhere here. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Okay, I think I deleted it. So I'm gonna pause the video, find it, and then come back.